This was renovated 33 years ago. It was time to redo. So I did get a couple of referrals from friends for contractors. And in the first two cases, one didn't get back to me and one was very, very slow in getting back to me. I thought, I can't just go with a single contractor anymore because they're not business people, they are contractors. I had the render so I could see on a computer what it would look like. And that I found very helpful. And therefore we ended up changing the tiles we originally chose because we could actually see what it would look like in place. That was helpful. I liked having a project manager, someone that I had one person I could call and contact. Basically, he always got back to me, and that was nice. So then when I went to the office, Juliana had already looked at what we were considering, and so she very easily pulled out similarities, but a lighter option because that's what we were concerned about. Our first choice was too dark. It was easier because she had like 3 choices for the walls, 3 choices for the floors. And then we kind of discussed it and she sort of recommended, and this was the option she recommended, and we're very happy with it. Oh, they came in totally when they said they were coming in, they got started. The first 2 or 3 weeks were like, they were hands-on, they were working hard, they were getting stuff done.